Hey, it's Ian, and today I'm here with a video that's a little bit different than our usual. Today I want to talk to you about our box of deals. Well, okay, it's a box of junk. As a matter of fact, sometimes it doesn't even come in a box. That's why we have an oath you must take before buying the box of deals. Number 1, I expect nothing beyond the number of promised items in this box. Which the website says 3, but if the items are particularly junky, you might get a couple more. Number 2, I shall not whine or complain about the items I get. Again, this is a box of junk. And number 3, I shall reflect on whether I might be better off just not buying a box of junk. Bottom line, don't say we didn't warn you. Alright, now if you're still with me, you may be wondering, how did we end up with all this junk in the first place? Well, our trusted vendors send us samples. Sometimes we ask for them, and sometimes they just show up to our door uninvited. Other times we find something in the back corners of our warehouse, and let's be honest, missed shipments happen. Sometimes they're the wrong colors, and sometimes they're the wrong products altogether.
Delivery from Nike.
Ooh, the new shoes we ordered. Let's hope that the customers love this. What? These aren't shoes. Oh well. To the box of junk these go. Except this, I'm keeping this one. That's why we created the box of deals. It's kind of like a mystery box. You never know what you're gonna get. Now there are two versions that you can choose from. The first being our standard box of deals. Now again, it'll probably come in a bag and there's at least 3 items. But the other is our Super box of deals. Okay. But then there's our super box of deals. It looks a lot like the first one, and it kind of is. But on top of this, you're also gonna get one of our higher valued items. You could get anything from our floating cloud lamp, this 1080p webcam, and this really cool cold brew coffee maker. What are you gonna get? I don't know, but it's our box of deals. Anything goes. Now let me go into a couple more frequently asked questions. Ian, what's the deal with the pricing? Is this really worth $20? Well, I mean, individually, if you go into a retail store, they might be selling this for anywhere from $5 to $10, anywhere from $1 to $5. But is this really worth $5 to $10? I don't know. Maybe not to me, but maybe to you. Beauty's in the blah, 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 blah. But is it really worth that? I don't know, you tell me. Beauty's in the eye of the beholder. Another question we get all the time is, Ian, is there any food in here? No, there is not. Please do not eat anything you get in here. It may cause you injury and sometimes even really bad indigestion.
Your entree, sir.
Thank you, garçon. Waiter, I think it's a little overdone. Another question we get asked a lot is, are these products new? Well, sometimes we never even opened the product and just noticed that the color was wrong, so we just threw it in the box of deals. And sometimes we open it, evaluate, decide we wanted to sell it, but the deal fell through. So we repackaged it as nicely as we could, safe and sound in the box, and threw it in the box of deals. And sometimes, you might even get a product that was featured in the video. So hey, put that on your wall of PulseTV memorabilia. And now we get this one all the time. Can this jumpstart my career? Yeah, totally. If you buy a whole bunch of these and resell them individually at your local flea market, hey, you could be retiring by 40. Oh, hello, sir. Welcome to my flea market.
You got some really nice items. Definitely not junk.
Why, thank you, sir. But what he doesn't know is that it actually is.
Who are you talking to?
No one. Would you like to buy some of my wares?
Yeah, I'll take this.
Cool, $20.
Get you next time, bro.
Awesome. I just made my money back. But the question I get asked all the time is, Ian, what can I do with this box of junk? Well, when you open it and find you don't want a pink vacuum insulated mug, you might know someone in your life who does. That's why this makes great white elephant gifts. Awesome stocking stuffers. And hey, when you gift this to your friend and they open it, it'll be a surprise for both of you. Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho! Have you been a good boy this year?
Sure.
Well, you haven't. That's why you're getting junk from PulseTV's box of junk. Here you go. Here you can have this. And build a 3D construction
Thank you, sir.
Or would you like canned straws?
Ooh.
Or as a matter of fact, would you like any bit of this? You can have it all. If you buy from PulseTV's box of junk. But only up to three at least. Now, I want to reiterate, the name of the game is low expectations. I mean, we have super satisfied customers who love the thrill of opening their mystery box of junk. And there's others that really wish they can return it. Which camp are you gonna fall into? I don't know, but that's the fun of it. So head on over to the site and grab your box of junk today. If you want. Maybe. Don't do it. You give us 1 star, saying 2 bags of 3 items. Both bags had contact lenses cases priced at $4.97 each, and 2 calculators, and 1 DVD, and 1 tattoo. Not worth it. Well, you see. Did you even read the oath? I mean, Sandy obviously states right there that you should 1. Expect nothing beyond the number of items in this box. We promised you 3 items. You got 3 items, in fact more. 2, I shall not whine or complain about the items I get, and that's just exactly what you're doing. We have this oath for a reason, let's be honest. And 3, I shall reflect on whether I might be better off just not buying a box of junk. What did you expect? You bought junk, you received junk. It doesn't get, whoa, junk like this. I mean, who knows what else you'll receive? Maybe some of this too. Hey, earbuds. What is this? Ultra slim wireless charger? I mean, is this junk? This is real stuff you can actually get. Wireless doorbell. I mean, isn't that incredible? No, it's not. It's all worthless. It's all junk. In fact, you never know what you're gonna get. That's the beauty of it. As you can see by from California. It was fun to open and see what goodies I got. I've done this a few times and I always can't wait to see what I get. Now that is the spirit. This is the spirit of the box of deals, box of junk. It's fun. Pure fun, that's what it is. Useless. Useless. Thank you. I agree. Thank you for your feedback. Lots of fun. You're great. I mean, I like to order these every so often. It's neat to see what surprises you get and what items you can use. If you cannot use them, they are good to pass along items. That's what I said. Pass along either as a gift or just because. That's the spirit of the box of junk. However, he's disappointed because he bought junk and he got junk. He even says it in his 1-star review. Junk. He says disappointed, 1 DVD, junk, and a woman's scarf and a woman's shoe insert. Being a man, no value to me. Well, there is no room for the binary here at PulseTV. There's only room for junk. Sorry, I got carried away here. This could save your life. This could save your life. Hey, one man's trash is another man's treasure. What is this? Something for your car clip, for your vent. Durable metal construction. This is incredible. A USB cover. This is actually pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. Like, if I got this in a box of junk, How awesome would that be? What a surprise. Oh, it's raining over here. What is this? Knee bird. Do you need pain relief in your life? Buy the box of junk. That's all the junk? All right.
All the junk.